I want to tell you something. No. You're gonna want to hear this. Trust me. Look at this face. Trust it. What? What is that? Giveaway. 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 It's a giveaway. We've got a giveaway. Your Nails has a giveaway for you. Celebrating 600,000 YouTube subscribers. Can you believe it? Thank you. And to thank you, we are doing a giveaway. Giveaway. We are giving away a fiber gel kit plus the clear fiber gel in a bottle. Whoa. 6 lucky winners are gonna get this. They're gonna win this. They're gonna do it. Go.
Do it.
All you have to do is comment below with hashtag YN600K. Hashtag YN600K. Hashtag YN600K. And we're gonna pick 6 lucky winners in the comments below. I personally am gonna announce the winners. I'm gonna make a video, and that's how you know who wins.
Winner, chicken dinner!
Do not fall for any tricks by scammers and bots in the comments saying that you won. Do not listen to them. No.
No.
You're gonna wait for the video from me. We're gonna post it to announce the winners. That's the only way. So do not listen to anybody in the comments saying that you're a winner. Do not listen to them. Only wait for the video. The giveaway starts today and goes all the way till Wednesday. This date right here is when I'll make a video to announce the winners. It will be a video by me announcing the winners. 600,000 subscribers is so insane, and we're so thankful and grateful for you. We appreciate you. Good luck on the giveaway. We are so excited about this, and we want to wish you luck on the giveaway.